Welcome back, Towners. Today we're going to make jalapeno pretzels. Let's get it.
We're going to start by adding 1 1/4 cup of almond flour to our bowl, a teaspoon of sugar substitute, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a little bit of garlic powder, and a little bit of onion powder. We're going to mix that all together and put it to the side so we can start on our cheese mixture for our fathead dough. So we have 2 ounces of cream cheese and 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Put that in the microwave for about 45 seconds until it's nice and melted. Add in our dry ingredients and stir those together real well. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add in 1 egg. And then we take our jalapeno, we slice it up. In hindsight, I wish I would have diced it instead of sliced it, but the slices still work. So we get that all incorporated into our dough. I spray my baking pan with cooking spray, and I have parchment paper on top. Now, I'm not gonna lie, rolling this dough into the shape of a pretzel was super tricky and super hard, to the point where I just said, F it, I'm going to make twisties instead. So I rolled it out and I made pretzel twist. And then I brushed the tops with a little bit of melted butter and sprinkled some coarse salt on top of each one. We put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, and here's our end result. The twists are not well defined, but the pretzel is good. I paired it with our G. Hughes sugar-free honey mustard dipping sauce. As you can see, it's nice and bready on the inside and very good. So please try it and let me know.
Enjoy. Please subscribe. Enjoy.
Hey guys, as always, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. All menu items are listed in the description box. And thank you guys for watching.